Hi, how are you? You can see a wooden frame here. So this is a solid wood and we're going to paint a nice scenery here. Let's put some colors for the sky. So the sky color comes up with the sky blue. So let's take the color, very soft blue, and another blue for the ocean in this portion. All right, this blue color is going to mix up with the white color. All right, putting the white color for the sky. Mhm. Okay, so putting the color as fast as possible, because the acrylic color, it just dry up in a very small amount of time. That means very fast. So that's why you have to put the brush strokes very fast. And I'm going to put the greeneries at the bottom for the blue color. It's going to be the water, and you can see the waves. Okay, so the water body is done. Now we're going to take the color yellow and orange to show the beach. Okay, so we're putting the orange. Starting from this side, you can see the orange, just some hilly area. All right, so that part defines the portion which is at the foot of the hills. All right, and putting some yellow which is in this portion between the water body and the orange portion. You can see the color which is the lighter color. Okay. All right, now we are putting the white color, you can see, at the borders. Okay, all right, so the sea beach is complete. Now we're going to put some greeneries here for the hills and the mountains. Just drawing the hills like this. So one side of the hill is going to be the darker, and another side is going to be the brighter or the lighter. You can see the sides of the hills. Okay, just doing the graphics. Okay, so after that, just putting the other side of the hills, which is the lighter color. Okay, so little bit lighter color. Okay, so after that, we're going to show the lighter portion on the top of the mountains. So we can use the white color on the top and show the difference. Okay, showing the difference one side. All right. Putting few outlines for the colors like the you know horizontal racks. So the landscape is progressing very nice. Now we're going to draw two trees here, and for the trees we are just going to take another different color with a very smaller brush. You can see this brush is smallest of all right. So trees are pretty bigger, so the main trunk of the tree you can see just going to be like this one, and we're going to draw another one. So you can see two trees here. Mhm. Making the base of the mountains little darker, which is the same as the trees. Okay, so the trunk is done. Now we're going to put the color on the top for the branches of the leaves. Okay, so this is the green you can see on the top. Also we are using green for the leaves, so few leaves we are just putting all around it. Okay, so after putting the leaves we can do the details like putting some hatches on the side, so you can see the details on the side. Let's make the drawing really beautiful. So when you do the painting, just keep doing details as much as you can, then the drawing has its own beauty. Alright, and the outlines for the mountains on the other side, just putting the final strokes. Looks good, looks good, awesome. And this is the simple drawing. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.